Hello there. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me and welcome to Faith Girl Flow. Now, let's get into it. This one right here is a reminder for those of us who have ever felt overlooked, misunderstood, or in some ways underqualified, I guess. Okay, but yet we're still chosen by God. So today we're just going to anchor our worth right now in truth, not in other people's opinions or our negative thoughts in our mind. Okay, so take a deep breath and let these affirmations rebuild you, but also remind you of who you already are. Now let's get started. My worth was never up for debate. God already decided it. Rejection did not reduce me, it redirected me. I am valued, chosen, and deeply loved by God. I do not need validation from people who could not see my worth. Being overlooked did not mean I was unseen by God. I release the need to prove myself. God knows who I am. What hurt me did not define who I am. God does. I am walking confidently into rooms I once prayed to enter. My identity is rooted in Christ, not in past rejection. God is restoring my confidence gently and completely. I no longer chase approval. I walk in purpose. I am secure in who God says I am. Every season of rejection prepared me for elevation. I trust God to surround me with people who honor my value. I am becoming the woman I once needed reassurance to be. Before you go, I want you to remember this. Your worth was never up for debate, okay? God sees you, He values you, and He's restoring that confidence in ways that will last always and forever because He's amazing. But if this video spoke to your heart, please stay connected. Subscribe for more faith-filled affirmations and come back anytime you need this reminder. And as always, it was an honor to speak life over you and over me. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.